Hey everyone, Crystal with Crystal Clear College Planning. I'm out of Bothell, Washington, and this is my 11th year in the industry. My company is called Crystal Clear College Planning, and one of the things that I have discovered I am most passionate about in this business is really working with kiddos and helping them figure out what their interests are and then how to really make that make sense. And in one of the conversations I've been having with a lot of kids recently, it's been around testing. So SAT and ACT standardized testing, because of course the biggest one that they want to know is, do I really have to worry about this, Crystal? Do I really need to do standardized tests if all of these colleges are going test optional? The short answer is yes. A lot of the things that we've been seeing in the last couple of years, it's really challenging, honestly. There have been schools that have said they've gone test optional that then required test scores. Once they got them, they gave less discounts than we'd seen from years past because of the scores being lower. And sometimes as well, on a positive note, a higher test score can also help offset other pieces of your picture. And so having a lower GPA, but having a higher test score and being able to share that story. I had a student a few years ago where he applied to University of Portland. It was his top pick school, but he had a 3.17 GPA and he had a 1480 SAT score. So he actually got waitlisted at University of Portland, and then he wrote an appeal letter saying why he wanted to be there, why he deserved to be there, and why it was his number one pick. They took him off the wait list and let him in, and they gave him a scholarship of $29,000 a year, which is about the same amount that we were seeing for students with 4.0 GPAs. And we know he wouldn't have gotten that scholarship just off of his GPA, right? He was waitlisted. So it's just one of those things where I've even seen from colleges that I have gone and visited and hearing and talking to admissions as well, where they have this kind of standard of, if your score is good in relationship to our incoming freshman class, then submit it, because it makes them look better in the marketplace. And when that happens, it can benefit you. And that's more of the stuff that we talk about in terms of these strategies around testing and our how to pay for college without going broke class. So I do encourage you to attend our next session and really make sure that you are clear in regards to what is that best path forward for your student and to test or not to test, and what is the best fit for them. So I look forward to seeing you at the next class.